Let's learn how to easily convert PNG photos to PDF files. We don't need to use any third-party apps for this since we'll do everything online in just a few simple steps. And before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this in the future. So the very first step is to open any web browser on your phone. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can do this in Google Chrome also. Now in Google, you want to search for PNG to PDF and you'll get a bunch of different search results. We want to open this website called PNG to PDF, and I'll leave the download link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. When you open the website, it's going to look something like this, and we'll upload our PNG photo which we want to convert by clicking here. Then select your photo and wait a couple of seconds until it uploads and converts. Now you can simply tap on the download button and our converted PDF file will download. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it was. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.